In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a website on HubSpot. Now to do this, you want to go to your dashboard, then you want to go to this content tab over here on the left, and you want to click on the first button, which is called website pages. Now inside website pages over here, you can of course go and make a website. So just go and click on create a website page if this is your first time doing this. And from here, it's going to take you to page creation where you can go and select a template and theme style. So I'm actually going to go with a template right now. I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, there's going to be a bunch of different ones. You can wait for these to load in to kind of see the preview of them. And you can go and of course sort over here on the left as well. You can see if you want to have live previews or not, etc. And then of course over here, you can kind of see what they're looking like. So if you want to go with a blank page from scratch, you could also click on over here, where you can click on any of these and just preview them and then use them for your website, okay? I'm actually going to start from scratch, but before I do this, I'm going to click on theme style. And then in here, you can see there's a bunch of different themes you can pick. So this one is selected. I'm actually going to go for this kind of green one right now because I just like it, okay? And then you can click on get started, and you can, of course, see kind of it's going to allow you to preview the website over here on the right. Then from here, I'm going to click on start with a blank page, and then I'm going to click on edit manually in the top right. You can also generate with AI if you have a paid version and a plan which supports AI inside HubSpot. So from here, you can see your base website is going to look like this. So it's going to have like this header over here. It's going to have the footer and then the main content where you can, of course, add sections. So to add sections, you want to click on add section over here, where you can go and add different pre-built ones over here if you want to, by simply clicking on them. So I can do, for example, social proof. I'm going to click on this button. There we go. It got added automatically, which is quite nice. Or you could go to the top left and add this, and you can go and add different sections or models up here just like this. So you have different modules. You could go and click and drag them up here. If I want to add, for example, like a heading, I can click, drag, and there we go. A heading is going to get added. And I can just double click and type in like whatever I want over here on the left. So if I type in hello there, etc., it's going to allow me to type in whatever. I can also add and change the style, etc. And that's going to allow me to build the website. So to make a website, you simply have to keep putting on these building blocks. Super simple. You can just drag and drop them, add content in there, and whatever you want to edit with a specific block, you can edit it over here on the left with the block selected. So if I go in, for example, do this feature list and put it here, you'll see that if I now click on it, I can go and of course edit whatever I want over here on the left, change styles, etc. So click on the block, edit it on the left, and that's essentially all you have to do to edit and create your website. Here on the left, you also have the option to see contents. So everything that's on here, you can click on it to change it, whatever. Here you have the optimize button, where you can go ahead and optimize things. It's going to show you kind of descriptions and all the things that are recommended to be optimized. Then you have the test button over here, where you can create A to B tests if you wanna. And then you have this global theme styles, which is still in beta, but of course you can use this if you want to. It's going to globally change fonts, colors, buttons, etc., which is quite convenient. And then you have the site navigator, which is going to be how you're basically navigating your website, okay? That's also one more thing that's important to note. Then up top, you can see you have the option to edit in mobile and for desktop over here. And then there's also some more options up here, top right, where you have settings. And if at any point you come across a question, you can go and pull up this assistant, ask it whatever you want, and it's going to help you out and basically see what's on your screen and kind of give you tips on how to fix this or how to correct things. You can also go and click on the preview button top right to preview your website. That's what mine looks like now. And of course, you can then copy your link as well, or you could go back and publish it. But before you do this, you must, of course, finish all of these required things on the list. For me, it's just one. I have to put on the page title, which is going to be, for example, tutorial. And there we go. I'm actually going to see if there's anything else. No, that seems to be it. I'm going to click on that. And now I'm ready to publish the website. I can hit the publish button top right. There we go. If I copy this, I can just basically paste it into my browser, and it's going to open up my exact website over here. There we go. Built on HubSpot. Okay? That's simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.